Yeah, guys, look at this. This is his work. Those glasses there are for the balconies. You guys, you know how they put glasses round? Yeah, that's... So this one is how many inches? 10 mm. Okay, tempered glass. Those ones there are for what? The door. Okay, the door. He did them. Call him for your work if you want to feel rich. So neat and classy. So this door windows now, how much? That building with the highest this thing. Man, no go the dreamer for inside. Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, hey, welcome. My name is Mary Moe, and if you're a return, what's up my G? Welcome back to the channel. Get to the front seat because you are the real VIP. Thank you so much for riding with me, guys. Today we're just gonna continue from where we stopped in part 2 of this glass and windows series, okay, where we talked about the different types of glasses, prices and sizes of those different glasses, windows. Okay, we even went to the site to in some of those windows. Okay, now today we're going to check out some of the work the guy has done here in Plantation City. We're going to check out different buildings, different apartments, different duplexes that he has designed with glasses. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do not forget our rule: click the like button, like the video as you're watching, so that YouTube will push it to more people, and share. Remember, we do not gatekeep over here. Share this video, this information with family members, friends, anyone at all you know that this video will be of help to them. Please share with them. Here, gang, we do not gatekeep, okay? And if you have any question, put it down for me in the comment section. If you're interested to work with the guy, I'll put his phone number in the description box, so check the description box for his phone number, okay? And subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, let's dive right into the video. And please, guys, I beg you in the name of God, do not forget to let them know you came from Mary Moe. Once you contact the guy, let him know you came from Mary Moe on YouTube, okay? So that it will be easier for me to do the convincing and videos for you guys, and for them to also appreciate me. You get it, please? Help your girl out, all right? Thank you. You guys, the Plantation City in a hot cake. You see? Everywhere is already occupied. Come and thank me remote later. I'm plugging you guys on. If you're not in PC, you never stay anywhere. You've never lived. Yeah, I'm entering somewhere nice. You can take pictures anyway. Hey guys.
Have all the videos from
Hey, look at this house. Look at these glasses. Oh my god, this way. Oh shit. I don't know if you guys are seeing this thing clearly. Oh my god, can you just slow down a little bit so that... Yeah, guys, look at this. This is his work. Oh my god, this glass is everywhere. I think your theme is black most times, because I'm seeing people with white, but this your own is mostly... Oh god, guys, this is so rich. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing these glasses? He did them. Call him for your work if you want to feel rich. So neat and classy. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh shit. Ooh, I see from up to down. Oh gosh, you can enter. You can really see this. Ooh, see from... Oh my god, this thing is dark here. Can you go to the front a little? Yes. Hey, stop. You guys, are you seeing that building there from the top to the down? When I mean the down to the door, is glasses. Oh my god, this is so fine. I love it. Oh, good morning. Oh, this is so pretty. Let me tell you, you see the glasses I'm telling you about? This one is another site of his. So when I tell you you are in good hands, you are in good hands. Look at this. So look at this, and then look at the top. Glasses everywhere. Oh my god. So this one is how many inches? 10 mm. Okay, tampered glass. So this place, where the glass is called what? This place. Is it the entrance?
No, it's not. Just for
Eh.
design.
Oh,
It's more like the ante room.
okay. You guys see. Ooh, see the ones on the ready to be used. So I love this whole black theme. Guys, look at these glasses. So you see, so this one is really fine. And then this is the window. Okay, let me show you this one. Look at this one too, made by him. Yeah, so this is what he do. He does the work for Plantation City. Most people building houses is there. They contact him for their windows, everything glasses, frame and everything. So you see, this one is a window too. And look at me, pretty. Let me show you another side. The ones at the top, all those windows were made by him.
I say,
And this too.
If you know normally before, if you buy look from us, you can't within 1 2 days. I know that's what you don't come back.
See this in the.
You know, say me before.
These are the windows. So this is the window. This is the window. So definitely you are in good hands. I'm telling you. So this is the type of window people are doing now. Yeah, fine houses. Fine houses. You guys. So they still have another one ready to be used here. So this one too. I think it's for the door. I don't know. He's making calls. Once it's done, he will explain to us. Seeing it. You guys, I seen the windows. This is what I'm telling you about. Yeah. Those ones there are for what?
The door.
Okay, the door. So these door windows now, how much? These ones. They are not the same size.
This one is not windows. 10 mm tampered glass.
Okay, for the balcony. Okay. The one you said 100 and something for.
This one is even more than that.
Okay.
This one is more than that.
Like this one here now is how much?
As when I have to look for the quotation before I can tell you.
Remember.
Okay. There are processes where you have to go through before you can get a glass like this. It's a process of find the glass, what they call dulling, drilling, then before you tampered. So there are processes before you can get it tampered.
Wow. So all those processes coupled together makes it expensive.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I wanted this one is this place now. You said is what?
That's an anterior.
Okay.
That's a window for the anterior.
Okay. So you guys see. Okay. Nice. Guys, come. That building with the highest this thing. Man, no go dey dream for inside dream. Guys, I love this. Okay, this balcony is what you want to use this one for. Okay, those glasses there are for the balconies. You guys, you know how they put glasses round? Yeah, that is what those tampered glasses there are for. And yeah, this is what people are doing right now. So call the guy for your work. Yeah. And if you also want to buy land in Plantation City, I'll put their details in the description box as well. So check them out. Get your see if you want to stay where big men they where you go to get good connection. Come to Plantation City. Come to these estates. Guys, there's one building I saw. Oof, that building is so fine, guys. So yeah, this site now. Maybe one day we'll do a video of what the total cost of building a very fine duplex in Plantation City Estate is. Guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. This is so fine. Guys, and oh my god, see that place? That place used to be a swamp, like a swamp before, guys. Eh? Eh? Guys, they filled it up because the last time I came here to do video, we couldn't even enter here. Oh my god, I made a video of the swamp now. You guys, if you've seen that video, you see that I made videos of the swamp. Now it's already filled up, guys, and they are still filling to let you know that area Warri is over for them. See people's houses. See when they say come and buy, come and buy. People are building. Good job.
My wife is a chef, so
Okay.
we're used to eating foreign.
Oh, me, I don't know.
School, my children teachers will be asking.
Okay, when they take food to school.
They don't see 5 days of a week.
Eh.
They go to school with different kind of food. Things you don't really. Some of them they don't even know the names to them.
Nothing like regular Indomie.
Nah, it's Indomie. Indomie is one. See, even the Indomie is not a regular Indomie. My wife is more. Right, but that's where she gets all those foreign.
Yeah. Me now, maybe once I settle, that's when I'll start putting my eye down for this. I don't know, my stomach is not used to all those things. Maybe because I've not really. Once I eat anything that is that is foreign, that is not regular, it's like my stomach will start dancing. And this is the building I was talking about. They said it's the highest,
the tallest.
Of
the roof.
Yeah, the tallest.
Like one of the oldest in the estate.
So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you do, let me know in the comments section. If you have any question, put it down for me in the comments section. And if you're interested to work with the guy, check the description box for his phone number. And yeah guys, please do not forget to like the video so that more people can see. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because it's free, plus you get to have good informations, okay? And then share, okay? Share with family members. Remember, we do not gatekeep, okay? Do not be stingy. Share this video so that we can grow as a family and then more people can get good information, okay? Because you never know who you'll be helping. All right, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out. And please guys, do not forget to let him know you came from Mary Moe. Once you contact him, let him know you came from Mary Moe on YouTube, okay? So that making these videos will be easier for me and they can also appreciate me. So please help your girl out by doing that, okay? I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.